Welcome back to Crafting with Pure Design, Creative Fabrica Spark Edition. Today I'm going to talk about another amazing tool in Creative Fabrica Spark AI. Okay, I'm here in my account. I will go to Spark, and today we're going to talk about create image mixes. I'll click on it. Okay, let me tell you what this is all about. Here on Imagemix, okay, you can upload a picture here, and then you generate it, and it will generate different different ones of that same picture that you put. Okay, you see this image here I have here, and I generated mixes, and I got different ones of kind of the same, but it does it different for you. It's not exactly the same. Okay, and then you can download them. Let me click on this. You see, you can download them. You can download them, and you should have the subscription. And let me tell you about the subscription. The subscription, you get the free all access subscription, and I will leave the link below. With that subscription, you will be able to navigate Creative Fabrica and use for all these things. Okay, and after that, you will be billed $9 a month. But let me show you. If you're a designer, you're a crafter, you print, you sublimate, you sell images, and all those things, Creative Fabrica is for you. Because in here you will be able to get whatever you need, all the images, all the designs. If you can find it, you can ask the designers on here to create exactly what you want for you. Okay, but today we're going to talk about this particular one, CF Spark Imagemix. So it will mix images for you out of the one that you upload. But there's also another amazing part of this tool. Another amazing part. That's the plugin, the Chrome plugin of Creative Fabrica, the AI Chrome plugin. It's a plugin. It's an extension. Yeah, extension. The extension works amazing. The first thing we're going to do to find that extension, we'll go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome. Chrome extensions. Okay, Chrome extensions. Let me see. Chrome extension, right? Let me see what's this one. Yeah, Chrome extension web store. And here we're going to search for Creative Fabrica. Click on it. Yeah, this one. Creative Fabrica browser plugin. Image variation generator. So, like I told you, you will see an image somewhere and you like it, and you want to make variations of that image, and this tool will help you. Okay, together with the image mix, it will come up with other variations of that same image. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to add it to my Chrome. You see here, CF Spark browser plugin, and I will plug it in. I will add it. It's adding it to my Chrome. Okay, and it says here, look, it took me back to CF Spark because I opened it and I went to Chrome, the Chrome web store. I added it to my extension, to my Chrome system in my computer. Now it's taking me back to Creative Fabrica, and it's telling me the CF Spark generate button is successfully installed. So, well, you say it's installed, but how? Look what you will see. When you hover over an image, you will see this thing right here. Okay? When you hover over an image, you will see this. And then you can click on it, and it will take you right back into Creative Fabrica. Let's see this guy. It will take you back into Imagemix, and it will put the image here. You see, the image of the guy is supposed to be here. Yeah. And then you can generate different variations of that same guy. Let's see what we get. Click on the generate button, and we will wait. We will wait. We get 12. We will get 12 variations of this guy. Not the same guy. So people can't say you steal the images. No. AI will generate different ones, lookalikes of the same guy. So let's see what is happening. Ooh, look at that. I think we got this one guy all over. Look at this guy face. He's, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. A whole nother person. A whole other person. This is so amazing. From this guy, look, AI thought this here is a hand, so he put a hand here. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, this is in Creative Fabrica, right? We are in Creative Fabrica, but now let's go to Google and see what's happening over there. Here in Google, I want to search something. I'm going to search, let's say, black women clip arts. It works really well with clip arts. Okay, she is beautiful. Let's see. Let's generate mix of her. Okay. It's mixing. It's mixing for us. So we will have 12 variations, and then you can download which you feel like is good for you, which you like. You can. Some of them will have mishaps, but you can still download. Okay, they are beautiful. They are beautiful. But the problem that we have is that the main image, this image, has a watermark over it. So it generated like designs, but still with the letters over her face. You see? And here it's totally missed from everything. You see the watermark is still there. You see, so if you do an image with watermarks, this is what it will give you. Okay, let's look for another one. Let's go back to black women. Let me see. For instance, cute image, a cute design without watermark. Let's see this one. Generate. This is like a SVG. It comes in black and white. Let's see other variations that we can get from it. Look at that. There are good ones and bad ones. This one is still good. If you're someone who works in Inkscape, you will know exactly how to use this. Especially this one. This one came out really well. You can convert it to SVG. This one too, take a little piece off. This one, take here off and put something in the hair. Okay, and this one came out good too, and this one, they came out good. So if you're making SVGs, you can run these and get different variations, and then tweak them, especially these ones, and then you have a bundle of different SVGs. Okay, let's go really back to like colorful images. Let's say watercolor blueberry pie. Let's look for that. Watercolor blueberry pie. Okay, I like this one. Okay, we will select generate, and it will take us back to CF, and here is it. And then we're going to generate. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow, Oh my goodness. You see all these? This can be a bundle to sell on Etsy. You download them. Download them. You see the download link here. You download it into your computer. Download them all. And then you can remove the background in Canva if you have Canva Pro. Or you can remove the background with a remove.bg. Okay? And then you have a whole bundle, a whole Etsy listing. Oh wow, this is amazing. I love this. I will surely use it. You see, you get different variations of this one here. Look at that. Different variations. Wow. Let's go to one more thing. Let's say watercolor, rainbow butterflies. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, these are cute. You see that? These are amazing. So when you hover over them, you will see the CF. Even if you don't see it right away, you click on it and still it will come. Okay, I don't want this one. Let me see which one like I told you, it doesn't give you the exact image. It gives you a variation of that image. Okay, this is just AI color with black in it, and then we click on it. It will take us to CF Spark, and then we have it here, and then we're gonna run the generation. You can create a whole Etsy shop with doing this. You can create a whole Etsy shop. You work smarter, not harder. You just work smarter, not harder. And AI is here. This tool in CF Creative Fabrica is right here to take you to that level. Look at that. Look at this. This is a whole other butterfly. And this is another one. This is another kind. This one, you will want to tweak it here, like take this part off. You see? Wow. That from this one butterfly to all these here. So this is how you can use CF Spark Imagemix. This is an amazing, it's an amazing program. If you want to create variations of files that you see online, you can use this tool to do that. And like I showed you, you download them all. If you need to remove the background, if you have a Canva Pro, you remove the background through Canva Pro. Or if you want to, you can use remove.bg to remove the backgrounds. And then you pack all these images. Pack them and sell them on Etsy as digital products. And make money while you're sleeping. Cha-ching. Get this, sign up for the subscription, for the all access subscription of Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link below. And here I show you how to do it, and you can do it too. This is I can say it's a game changer. It will change everything. People that will grab this opportunity, they will make a lot of money. So I come and show it to you so that you can know, so that you can use it to benefit your life. If you don't have time to study it, let your teenagers study it. Tell them they can create images to sell online to make passive income. You can open businesses for them where they sell images on Etsy. The possibilities are endless. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch my next video, Creative Spark Edition. Thank you.